Hi everyone, hope you're doing well from wherever you're watching this channel, depending on your time zone. Now, the Judicial Service Commission advertised for 11 vacancies of the Court of Appeal judges. And upon advertisement, 82 individuals were attracted with these positions, and therefore they submitted their application for the job. Among the 82 who applied, we had 2 IEBC commissioners. These are former commissioners of IEBC. Isaac Hassan, who served in 2011 to 2016, applied. Wafula Chebukati, who served from 2017 to 2022, applied for the same. So after that, there was speculation in the public that you just served in a very bigger position like what Chebukati served now. Why you apply for this? Isaac Hassan, same. But they applied. So Kenyans had their views on the same. After the application, 42 individuals have been shortlisted for interview. And that interview will take place in June 9 a.m. and it will be concluded on June 20th afternoon. So among the shortlisted individuals, the name of the immediate former IEBC chairman of Chebukati is missing. But suspiciously again, Isaac Hassan, the former IEBC commissioner's name, is among the shortlisted names. So there's a public notice that Kome is inviting the public for their views or comments regarding the conduct of the shortlisted individuals before May 13th, 2024. So you can give your views on the same. And this is what they're saying: Judicial Service Commission, Kenya, recruitment of 11 judges of Court of Appeal. The commission received a total of 82 applications. The JSC shortlisted 41 candidates. The interview will start The interview will start on 20th June 2024. And the list is there. You can see the entire list of all the applicants. 41 individuals shortlisted. Among them, Isaac Hassan is on the list. Chebukati is missing. All of them, they were IEBC commissioners. And again, they have had their shortcomings on line of their duty. If you ask Isaac Hassan about the 2013 election, there were issues. But because of what had happened in 2007, code went slow on that. But you talk now about Chebukati. Chebukati was the worst. He was the worst because he oversaw an election that was overturned by the Supreme Court of Kenya. 2017 election. Then come to 2022. So many questions were raised. You have 7 commissioners, including you. So out of the 7, 2 agrees with you. So you become 3. Because you are there among them. And the 4 are against you. So you decide to go with the decision of the minority and even refusing to give majority to have their way. Because in Kenya, we are a democratic country where majority should have their way and the minority should have their say. Here, there was complete opposite, and not even opposite. This was something else. Because even the majority whom you refer to as minority did not have their say. So it is raising eyebrows when you see our former commission being shortlisted for this, and even when Chebukati was on the list, and the Kenyans are still questioning all this. We want to look deeper into that, but just a quick request. For those who are watching and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to our channel. Subscribers, I must say thank you so much. And again, to all our viewers, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and back to this discussion. Now, if Chebukati was going to appear on the short list, still Kenyans are going to make noise. And even when Chebukati appeared among the 82, there was noise. Imagine giving Chebukati a job, a man who was portrayed incompetence in public office. Then you award him into a very, sensitive position like this one. Now you are the judge in a court of appeal. You failed an election. Now you are coming to decide on matters that is touching on people's lives. Very critical position. With that one, many Kenyans will not agree with him. But then, people will view it as, now he's not on the short list, meaning he will not appear anywhere in court of appeal. Some people will take it as if Ruto is betraying Chebukati. It is not a betrayal. By the fact that Chebukati appeared on the 82 applicants, the state was trying to check how deep is the water. What can we say about that? Then after that, they cannot stop from there. They will look for a way to fix him, how they want it and where they want him to serve. So don't think that Ruto is betraying Chebukati or that is not influencing this appointment. No. They are influencing in one or another. We know that judiciary should be independent. But that independence has never featured anywhere. They are being controlled. If you talk about independence, the only man we know, he stands for truth, and you cannot threaten him in any way. It was none other than David Kinani Maraga, the former CJ. Huyo ni mtu ameamini ya kwamba I will trust my God and focus on serving the nation in truthful way. You can't tell him anything, he will follow the law. Simple and clear. So the appearance of Isaac Hassan is also questionable. There was the view in public that Ruto might be looking for compromised judges to use him for the time he is in office and even during the election. There have been even issues about replacing the current CJ or DJ or some judges in the Supreme Court. The reason is to pave way for William Ruto. This is a man who is coming with a narrative of term limits. Chelagay has now presented this issue will be in the Senate. The matter will be taken to the court. You need people like Hassan, Isaac Hassan, compromised judges, people who have served in a position where we have seen them compromising their office. So even the shortlisted people, 42, among them we are going to have 11. These 11, most of them, they will have been appointed there in those positions, not because of merit, but because of political interest of some individuals in executive. If, the list is not the final will come, but if Hassan will appear in the final list, then people are going to definitely conclude that Ruto is placing his own people somewhere to serve in his interest. If you see Isaac Hassan serving anywhere, then the perception will be that he's serving in the interest of the executive. That executive is none other than William Samoei Ruto. We have the issue of NADCO report. It will go to the court. It will be argued. If you don't have compromised judges to deal with these issues, it can't pass. So you need people that you know directly, you can reach out to them, compromise them on how they are going to deal with this matter. Talk about the issue of punitive taxes and bills. We know how the matter has been playing in the court. They throw out the issue of affordable housing. So the National Assembly had to go and compromise members of parliament to now look on this issue and map in everyone to the issue of affordable housing so that they can be in line with the law. They need compromise judges who can make decision in their favor. These are the same individuals who refuse to respect a court order that ordered that the fuel price should not be increased or any changes be made until the matter has been heard and determined in court. Tuliona tu yule jamaa wa EPRA, Kiptol, something like that. Ana akapandisha bei ya mafuta tu once. Na ikawa mambo ni kama hayo. So, in all these appointments, Kenyans are still suspicious on everything. So, there is an open window for the public to come and give their views on the same. Tell us about these judges. Tell us about their conduct before the final day on 13th May 2023. Next month 13th. Ikiisha hautasema kitu kuwahusu. Saizi uko na nafasi ya kutoa maoni yoyote kuwahusu. But Chebukati is missing and we see Isaac Hassan. In these appointments, we can still see the hand of executive all over. I don't know your views, but let us meet in the comment section to continue with this discussion. Thank you so much and see you in our next video.